Bana influencer ya TikTok ya gore batho ba bagolo ba e phaphathela matsogo. So I'm not going to listen to this. My dad and my mom are going to scold me. Ke tsere swantse re di rapediše le rena gore ge re tsena di-social media re re ge re di bona re fete ka speed, because what I'm going to share with you now ke gore be careful gore what are you feeding your spirit with. Tlhokomela gore what are you feeding your soul, because it tlo go fetoša phoofolo o sa lemoge.
Amen.
O sa lemoge ge o re bite wa dikhumana o le phoofolo, wa dikhumana o le ka kgolegong ya ba le gore ke dilo tse bo o swantse gore o di avoid. This past December, the way ba gona le di-accident tse dintšhi mo tseleng, I even said to my team I miss my days ka nako e be re te tswalelela ka kerekeng for the whole of entire festives. Bona gana jwale re sepela mo ditseleng le rena re tšhogela maphelo a rena, but a re rapeleng modimo tlo re tšhireletša ka gore re bereka mmereko wa modimo mo ditseleng mo go thatafile bana bešo.
Amen.
Ge re rapela re rapediše gore a na meboya ya rena re nošetša ka eng. Mara ke šetse ke lefele hint ya gore ge ngwana ka aroga instead ya gore o mmethe, instead ya gore mo phaniše harshly, o mmotse gore jwalo wena bisa le mo 27 ka moswane ke nyako re tlo e tseba ka moka o nkopelele yone yo laetsa bebele mane a ka sa bošeletšo a se kgaotše go mo roriša. Ke tlo tšwela pele jwale go mo roriša ke sa kgaotše go bitša leina la gage, ka gore o ile a ntšha ka gare ga manaba, a ntšha tebetebeng ya leraga, ka gore modimo a tshepagala. Amen.
Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, of course, that was Dr. Winnie Mashaba at her prayer night session, you guys, and she did touch about something that was currently trending a few weeks ago, 2 weeks back. We buried one of the Amapiano, not Amapiano, Makompo rather, Makompo producers, Baswele, and there was this certain lady, it is said that she was Baswele's high school teacher who gave a speech and jokingly spoke about Tsaka, and we all could see that it was an innocent joke when she said that why didn't God take Tsaka innocently, so because Tsaka Watwenya and Baswele was such a sweet boy. Tsaka then responded to the lady, the old lady, and did this video because people in the comment section were like tagging him, waiting for him to drag this lady, you know, and he did respond. He felt like this is what his people wanted. This is the kind of content, of course, that they do know him, disrespectful content. He did respond to that video, and of course, basically reading the poor old lady to filth, basically calling her body parts here and there. Very much cringe and disrespectful video, I have to say. And Dr. Winnie Mashaba talks about that, and he says that it's such a shame to see how we as social media are applauding to such. He talks about Tsaka saying that, you know, he is very disrespectful. It was a very painful video to watch him, you know, disrespecting such an elderly woman. She talks about our morals. She says, where are our morals? You know, to just applaud somebody for doing that. You guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, and of course do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much, guys, for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. We'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.